Hurricanes. Hurricanes are a low pressure system. Again, low pressure is lousy weather, and this is like as lousy as you get. Lots of rain too, which is with low pressure as well. They rotate counterclockwise in the northern hemisphere. What happens is they form down here where it's very warm, where there's a lot of evaporation and there's a lot of water. You got to remember, hurricanes are always raining, so if you're not replenishing that water supply, they'll quickly die out. And so over the equatorial Atlantic, near the equator is actually down here, but down near it, where it's very warm and a lot of moisture, the air rises up and replenishes it. But what happens is as that hurricane goes towards the north and moves over cooler water, there's less evaporation going on. And so there's going to be, the hurricane's going to die out. It's going to rain more than it's being replenished. It needs this warm, wet area down here as fuel to keep that hurricane alive. So as you go up to farther away from the equator and closer to the poles, as the oceans get cooler, you'll see that hurricane kind of die out. Same thing will happen if it hits land. If it's now over land and there's no more water to evaporate and resupply the hurricane, it'll quickly break apart. Not only that, but the friction with the land will rip that hurricane apart, and it'll quickly die out as soon as it hits the land.